Unboxing review for the Bark & Landscape Portrait Rotation TV Wall Mount. The mount allows 360-degree screen rotation easily and without the need for tools. The mount rotation stops with a click every 90 degrees, enabling portrait or landscape screen orientation. The mount can be mounted on concrete, block, or wooden stud walls. In addition, it could be connected to a full motion mount to convert it into a full motion mount with 360-degree rotation, compatible with all Bark & full motion mounts as well as competitor ones. The mount includes a patented auto-locking mechanism to prevent disengagement of the screen. The locking system operates without cables or moving parts that could break or malfunction. This is the hardware for wall mounting. The blue wall anchors and screws are intended for concrete or block walls, while for drywall with wooden studs, only the screws are used without the anchors. The screws in compartments Z1 to Z4 in the divided bag are used to attach the mount to the screen and are referred to as VISA screws. Screws in various sizes are supplied to accommodate different screen brands. The screws in compartments Z5 and Z6 are used for the tilt mechanism, and the remaining hardware is intended for assembling the adapters for the wall plate for large screens. This is the wall plate, which is mounted to the wall. This is the screen plate, which attaches directly to the screen or with the adapters, which we will see next. It mounts onto the wall plate in this manner. And these are the adapters. Thank you card and contact details for assistance and questions. Detailed assembly instructions. The instructions include a QR code linking to the product page for additional information and safety warning sheets.